Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. We are deep in our four bodies alignment journey. We have grounded the physical body. We have soothed the emotional body. Now we face the biggest loudmouth in the room, the mental body. For dowsers and healers, the mind is a double-edged sword. We need our intellect to interpret charts and formulate questions. But the moment we ask the question, the mind must step back. If you are dowsing and your brain is secretly whispering, I bet the answer is on chart 3. Or, it must be this program because the client said X. You are no longer channeling, you are projecting. And then comes the doubt. Did I move the pendulum? Am I actually connecting? What if I'm wrong? This overthinking and self-doubt creates static on the line. Today, we are going to mute that static. We are going to move from thinking to receiving. It's time to empty the cup so it can be filled with truth. Close your eyes and let's clear the mind. Welcome. Settle into your body. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your heart calm and neutral. And now, bring your attention to the space behind your eyes, the center of the head, the command center. For many of us, this space is like a busy office, phones ringing, data processing, analyzing the past, predicting the future. But to douse accurately, this office must become a sanctuary. Visualize your thoughts as data streams or scrolling text, lists, worries, theories about your client, doubts about yourself. Do not fight them. Just watch them scroll by. You are not the text. You are the screen. First, let us address expectation. There is a part of your mind that wants to be smart. It wants to guess the answer before the pendulum moves. It wants to solve the puzzle with logic. Identify that part of you now, the guesser. Gently say to it, "Thank you, but I do not need your logic right now." Imagine taking all your theories about this session, all your expectations of what should come up, and placing them in a box outside the door. Say silently, "I do not know the answer, and I am willing to be surprised." Feel the relief of not knowing, the relief of the empty cup. Now, let us address doubt. The voice that asks, "Am I capable? Is this real? Am I making it up?" This doubt is heavy. It constricts your energy. It makes your hand tense. Understand this. Accuracy does not come from your brilliance. It comes from your alignment. You are not the source of the information. You are the radio receiver. The radio does not worry if the music is good. It simply plays the signal. Release the burden of performance. You don't have to be special. You just have to be open. With every exhale, breathe out the need to prove yourself. Breathe out the fear of being wrong. Let your mind become vast, quiet, spacious. Imagine your mental body is a clear blue sky. Thoughts are just tiny birds flying across. They do not disturb the sky. In this silence, intuition can be heard. In this silence, the micro movements of the pendulum are controlled by high self, not by your subconscious fears. Anchor this feeling, the feeling of alert stillness. Say silently, "My mind is open. I release all expectation. I trust the signal." Rest in this clarity for a moment. No analysis, just presence. And when you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room, keeping your mind spacious and clear. Open your eyes. Notice how your head feels. Does it feel wider, lighter, When the mental body is quiet, dowsing becomes effortless. You aren't trying to get an answer. You are simply witnessing the answer appear. Whenever you find yourself getting stuck in a session, or if the pendulum starts acting chaotic, stop. You have likely slipped back into thinking mode. Pause, take a breath, and rerun this mental clearing. Return to the empty cup. We have now aligned the body, the emotions, and the mind. There is only one step left to complete the circuit. In the next and final episode of this series, we will align the spiritual body. This is where we plug the instrument into the power source, connecting consciously with high self and establishing your spiritual protection. Subscribe to the BodyMaitre channel so you don't miss the finale of this journey. I'm Derek. Trust your intuition, not your fears. See you in the next episode.